Hello and good afternoon here at this beautiful Marlow Marine Yacht Sales in Sneed Island, Florida. We got quite a beautiful collection of yachts that are, a lot of them are here for some, general maintenance. This one, however, is a beautiful 57E. You see that hull just shining? That yacht was pulled out and has a brand new flag blue paint job. Also, they stripped all of the teak and put 14 coats, fresh varnish. So they look brand new. They also took off all the stainless steel rails that are, by the way, ergonomic so that they're not too round. When you grab them, they fit your hand. And this beautiful boat is 2010 Marlow.